Verifying your bank account on Betterment is an essential step to start investing and managing your finances. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth verification process. Step 1. Log into your Betterment account. Visit the Betterment website or open the app and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the section labeled Bank Accounts or Funding to begin the verification process. Step 3. Add your bank account. Click on the option to add a new bank account. You will need to provide your bank's routing number and your account number. Make sure to double check these numbers for accuracy. Step 4. Confirm your bank account. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Verify the deposits. Return to Betterment and enter the amounts of the 2 deposits you received. This step confirms that you have access to the bank account and completes the verification process. Once you've completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully verified, allowing you to fund your Betterment account and start investing.